Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Hadu Shispa San Pongut ki Muktiar ki badai ki dekat jong ka Shillong Bar Association hapo jing alam jong District and Session Judge ka Member Secretary jong ka Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority UNA Khan ilawan Syakmat ka khatlai tarik ujemang arajar arpoi ban ai dawai tikai lede kum sibeta ban yadai lede na ka jing abet ya ka jing pang COVID-19 ka bala sapriang teleng ke jela Meghalaya hakani ka sien ka bar ya kani ka jing ai dawai tika la pen bai hi da ka office jong u District and Session haringkat ke jingi terilang ber ka office jong u District Medical and Health Officer ka East Coast Hills District ya ka bala pelong ha Tirot Singh Indoor Stadium Shillong ha kani ke singilai dan lang ru ka Officer on Special Duty ka Nathe M Moment nang tar Secretary jong ka Shillong Bar Association ba TL Jirwa bat kiwe
We just felt that vaccination is something which is very crucial at this stage, and the members of the bar, the practicing lawyers, the judicial officers needs to be vaccinated. So we just felt that we made a request to the health department, and they were very quick to respond. And at the same time, the members of the bar also were eager to get vaccinated. But then, during this time of COVID-19 with social distancing and everything around, a coordination was required. So we had coordinated with the health department, and the members of the secretary of the bar also was very quick to respond to it. They have responded. You can see that there are quite a good number of judicial officers and the members of the bar from the Shillong Bar Association. I believe even the members of the High Court Bar Associations are also here. They are all, cooperating and as desired by the government that everybody should be vaccinated. So they are here to be vaccinated. We are expecting almost most of the members of the bar to be here, since it is being done in slots. So I think till now a good number have been vaccinated. So that's the only way we can fight against COVID. We all need to be vaccinated. Perhaps we are also contemplating for organizing some sensitization program on the vaccinations. There are some doubts about the vaccination, and we need to clear these doubts to all the citizens who have, withhold themselves from getting vaccinated. So I think vaccination is something very important. That's how we're going to, get ourselves immune from this COVID-19. So we have to encourage people from getting vaccinated, and then you can see that everybody has come forward to get themselves vaccinated.
Mata nakaliang jong ka bar, kamot kan ka association jong ki nong isay an ha kini Shillong. Mata actually kilabun ki bala respond namta banwan bani participate kini ka vaccination campaign ka jongi. Tamalong kadai kata kau bangin kuha bangin bangine bun khan pat season 1 nak juk kapor te ka ba mentasi ngidan ko masih spa san phongut te ke second round kan nang yat ko manglai ekran ka health department ru kyong bah ka sisi ba hakawai ka jaka ngila si spa san pho kan tam kala ban sutam khandiat nakata ti ta kada long CFI banginya lada dangdon supat nginak kendang yat kini ka vaccination drive ko jongi ka message te ngathare kumbala batai ru I district judge mena ba kalau kedike ka badan kami ngi bingin wan shima kene kapor nomor ba kene kedike kapor ko bingin la ban yakun yuni knyang jingpang khamtam ban penkhia ka healthcare system ma ngin pe ka healthcare system mata ka ima kalau ko ba itiang la da borok ki pangjur kumangi iswe ki jaka la ring pangjur untuk ka banlong kata kalawai ke jongi nang ni sikhamat ka ke banja ka ba isher khai ban super khat ro ti don kaman wan shim te but tama tangko beling bagan ka platform ko jongki bagan ka media ko jongki ngi ko ban batai ki ba kinong pet ba hadin bala shim makana ro ini vaksin kemde ban kinsting kemde ban ong bau new la dai uji ngeda mo kirang hap iban ikit khia mo da ka baki follow ya kata ki protocol bat ya kata ka SMS ka baki ong ka sanitize kikti ban use kamas bat ru ban le kata ka social distancing Kemudian kini ki SMS ke baong kalau ke badan kam kata-kata ba banyak kini ke vaksin ru hadin ba filashim ndi ban ong ba yam kalau abiang ngila yo ke jingeda ndrai kediban follow kini ya kita ki SMS ke baong te kadai tangkani hi ko kalat ru bala ban yada yangi ban pen sepriang yuni kenyang Jepang nak ke bang ngila ilong ban sepriang susu ke kita gini